Part 1, question number 1. Mention the integral solutions for the following inequalities and represent them on a number line. We have to consider integral solutions. Integral solutions means we have to consider only whole numbers. Part 1, x greater than 2. Then we can write x equals 3, x equals 3, 4, 5 like this. And when marking on the number line, we can draw a number line and we can mark x greater than 2 numbers, only integers, 3, 4, 5. Then second part, x less than 1, we can get x equals 0, minus 1, minus 2, like this. Then we can represent on a number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. We have to mark integral solutions, not all solutions. In part 3, x less than or equals 5. There is an equal sign. Therefore, we can get 5 and less than 5 numbers. Then we can write 5, 4, 3, 2 like this. Then we can mark on the number line 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. You can draw any range for the number line and you have to represent 5 or less than 5 integers on the number line. Then part 4, x greater than or equal minus 4. It means there is an equal sign, therefore x could be minus 4 or greater than minus 4. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, like this. Then we can mark minus 4 and greater than minus 4 numbers on the number line. Then part 5, x greater than or equals 0. We can get 0 and greater than 0 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. We can represent it on a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then question number 2. Mention the inequality represented in following number lines. In first one, corresponding number is minus 1. They have colored this point. It means x could be greater than or equal minus 1. They have colored greater than side, therefore we have to write greater than or equal. In second one, they have colored less than side. X less than corresponding number is 2, but they have not colored, therefore we can't put equal sign, only x less than 2. Then next one, it is not a same number line, therefore we have to write separately. You can't put O any other symbol and you can't join expressions. You have to write this one separately. Then in this one, x less than or equal 0. Next one, x greater than or equal minus 1. Then question number 3, represent the set of solutions of solving inequalities of following inequalities on a number line. First part, x is greater than minus 2, less than 2. There is no any equal sign like this. Therefore, we have to only put a circle on, not non-colored circle on minus 2 and 2. Minus 2, 2. And we have to color the corresponding region. Then part 2, there is an equal sign in this space. Therefore, we have to color the point on 2, and we have to put a non-colored circle on minus 3. Minus 3, 2. Minus 3, 2. 2 is a colored circle. And you have to represent region between that two numbers. In part 3, x is greater than or equal minus 1, less than 3. Greater than or equal minus 1, therefore we have to color the point on minus 1, and we have to put on the circle on 3. We have to color the corresponding region. Then part 4, x greater than or equals 0, less than 6. Greater than or equals 0, therefore we have to color the point on 0, and we have to put a circle on 6, non-colored circle, and you have to color it. Color the range between that two numbers. Then question number 4, represent the integral solutions. We have to consider integral solutions of following inequalities on a number line. Now, we can solve the first inequality. X plus 1 greater than or equals 5. X plus 1, we have to remove plus 1, therefore we can put minus 1 to both sides. X greater than or equals 5 minus 1, 4. X greater than or equal 4. Therefore, we have to mark 4 and 5. 4 and greater than 4 numbers on the number line. We have to represent integral solutions, not all solutions. Therefore, we can't color along the number line. Then part 2, x plus 3 less than or equals 4. We have to remove plus 3. Therefore, we can put minus 3 to both sides. X less than or equal 4 minus 3, 1. There is an equal sign. Therefore, we have to get 1 and less than 1 numbers. 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Integral solutions. Then this one should be part 3, not part 2. Part 3, 2 plus x less than or equal minus 1. This 2 is a plus value. Therefore, we have to put minus 2 to both sides. Minus 1, minus 2. Then we can get x less than or equal minus 3. There are same marks in these two numbers. We have to put the given number and add terms. X less than or equal minus 3. Then we can mark minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. We have to mark minus 3 and less than 5 numbers. Less than minus 3 numbers. Then part 4, x minus 2 greater than or equal minus 3. We have to remove minus 2 in left hand side. Therefore, we can put plus 2 to both sides. Minus 3 plus 2. Then x greater than or equal, there are opposite marks in the right hand side. Therefore, we have to put the mark of the large term, and we can subtract 3 minus 2, 1. X greater than or equal minus 1. we can represent integral solutions -1 and greater than -1 numbers. Then question number 5. Mention the integral solutions. Mention the integral solutions of following inequalities and represent them on a number line. We have to consider integral solutions. Then we can solve the inequality. 4x greater than or equal 12. We can divide both sides by 4. Then x greater than or equal 12 divided by 4, 3. X greater than or equal 3. Then we can mark integral solutions 3 and greater than 3 numbers. 3, 4, 5. Then part 2. 7x less than or equals -14. We can divide by 7. X less than or equal minus divide by plus minus 14 divided by 7, 2. X less than or equal -2. Then we can mark -2 and less than -2 numbers on number line. Then part 3. -2x greater than or equals -4. Now we have to divide both sides by -2. Therefore, we know that when dividing an inequality by a minus term, we have to opposite the inequality sign. We have to do it in the step we are dividing. Then we can cancel out -2 and -2. X less than or equals minus divide by minus plus 4 divided by 2, 2. X less than or equal plus 2. Then we can represent it on the number line +2 and less than +2 numbers like this. Then part 4. -3x over 2 less than -3x over 2 less than -9 over 4. First of all, we have to remove divide by 2. Therefore, we can multiply both sides by 2. -3 over 2 multiply by 2 less than -9 over 4 multiply by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. Then we can remove this -3. Then removing -3, we have to divide both sides by -3 because of the relationship between -3 and x is a multiplication. -3x divided by -3 equals -9 over 2 divided by -3. When dividing, we can put -3 to denominator, and you can observe that there are two mathematical operations for the -3 term, multiplication and subtraction. Therefore, you have to put a bracket to -3. Then we can cancel out 9 divided by 9, 3, 3, 3 divided by 3, 1. Minus divided by minus plus. Then final answer is plus. 3 divided by 2 means 1.5 or 1.5. Inequality sign is less than. Then x less than. It is the given inequality sign. But when dividing by minus term, we have to opposite the inequality sign. Therefore, 3x over -3, we have to use greater than sign, not given sign. We have to opposite it. X greater than greater than 1.5. X greater than 1.5. Now, we have to get integral solutions greater than 1.5. It means you can mark 2, 3, 4, 5. When writing these solutions, you can't write 1.5 because of 1.5 is not an integer, and we have found that x is greater than 1.5, not equal. However, we have to consider only integral solutions. Integral solutions means whole numbers. And then part 5, minus 2x over 5 greater than 3 minus 2x over 5 multiplied by 5 greater than 3 multiplied by 5. Then minus 2x greater than 3 into 5, 15. Now we can divide by minus 2. Minus 2x divide by minus 2. When dividing by a minus term, we have to opposite the inequality sign. Then less than 15 divide by minus 2. X less than plus divide by minus minus 15 divide by 2, 7.5. Less than minus 7.5. Then I will mark on this number line. Less than minus 7.5. Minus 7.5 is in this place between minus 8 and minus 7. Less than minus 7 numbers, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. And you have, when writing answers, you have to write corresponding integral values and mark integral solutions. I have only marked integral solutions, but you have to write corresponding integral solutions, and because of they have given that, mention the integral solutions, and then you have to represent number line. Then question number, that is question number 5. Then part 2, the student has 30 books. Mother give him 5 books and father give him X books. These books can be represented in an inequality x plus 5 less than or equal 30. Find the solution for the maximum number of books given by father by simplifying the above inequality. We have to simplify the inequality. X plus 5 less than or equals 30. Then we can remove plus 5 in left hand side by putting minus 5 to both sides. Minus, not minus 2, it is minus 5. X less than or equals 25. We have to find the maximum value. Maximum value x could be 25. Then maximum value is 25. In part 2, 16 men can go on an elevator. 4 men got down from 3rd floor. X number of men got down from 6th floor. This can be shown by an inequality as x plus 4 less than or equal 6. Find the solution for the maximum number of men on the elevator when it reach 8th floor. In this one, x plus 4 less than or equal 6. X plus 4 minus 4 less than or equal 6 minus 4. Then solution for the x value, x less than or equal 6 minus 4, 2. In this problem, there is an error in the question, but I will find the maximum value of x. Then maximum, we have to find maximum value. Maximum value of x should be 2. Then question number 3. Fumika says he has lesser number of pens than Hirun. And if Hirun has X number of pens, it can be shown in an inequality 4x minus 3 greater than or equal 33. Find the maximum number of pens Hirun can have. Then we can solve it. 4x minus 3 greater than or equals 33. 4x minus 3, we have to remove minus 3, then we can put plus 3 to both sides, 33 plus 3. 4x greater than or equals 36. Now we can divide both sides by 4. X greater than or equals 36 divided by 4 is 9. Therefore, maximum value of x should be 9. Then second part, Hirun has some red pens and 2 times of it blue pens. Find the number of red pens and blue pens he has. We can get if the number of red pens x, number of blue pens 2x, sum of all pens is 9. Therefore, we can equal 9. It is an inequality. It is an equation. We have to construct the corresponding equation. Then we have to solve the equation. We can add x terms, x plus 2x 3x equals 9. X equals, we can divide both sides by 3. Then x equals 9 divided by 3, 3. X means number of red pens. Then we can write number of red pens 3. Number of blue pens is 2 times of number of red pens. They have given 2 times of it blue pens. Then we can write 2 times of 3, 6 blue pens.